Since the last update, there have been some major improvements to the Unreal Gen plugin. If you haven't already, make sure to update to the latest version. There's a lot of new stuff packed in. The plugin now supports DeepSeek and Claude, in addition to OpenAI and Google Gemini as AI providers. That means more flexibility, more options, and better results depending on your workflow. Starting from version 1.1.2, the chat system has been completely restructured into 3 dedicated modes, each designed to make your experience faster, cleaner, and easier to manage. Guided Creation gives you step-by-step help to build your game, finish specific tasks, or answer any game development questions. Blueprints, focused on generating and analyzing blueprints directly inside your Unreal project. Materials, dedicated to creating or analyzing material graphs in your project. The reason we split the chat into modes is simple: to make the plugin smarter and lighter. Each mode keeps its own context separate, which reduces confusion and helps the AI focus on what you're working on. It also minimizes the impact on the context window. We'll talk more about that later. Now, let's set some expectations clearly. Blueprint and material generation works best for basic requests. Things like setting up simple print statements, toggles, variable displays, or creating small material graphs. Those work great. But for more complex systems, like advanced gameplay logic or layered material setups, the AI may struggle or produce results that need manual tweaking. Remember, this plugin isn't designed to build entire games or systems automatically. It's a helper tool, a bridge between you and the AI to speed up your workflow, not replace it. Its power is directly limited by the knowledge and capabilities of the AI model you're using. So as models improve, the plugin improves right along with them. Another big update: the plugin now stores your chat history locally. That means your conversations are saved until you decide to clear them. You can close the chat window, come back later, and continue right where you left off, just like ChatGPT. We've also added 2 new buttons inside the chat interface. The retry button, the pencil icon, lets you ask the AI to rephrase or provide a different version of its response. The revert button, the circular arrows, allows you to roll back or clear the chat up to a specific point. And don't forget, you can change the AI model version for each provider in your project settings. You're not locked to the default model. Visit the developer pages for OpenAI, Google, Claude, or DeepSeek to explore their available models and pricing. If you're new to this, I recommend starting with Google Gemini. It's pay-as-you-go, so you only pay for what you use. If you prefer more control over your spending, OpenAI is great for setting strict usage limits. Now let's talk about the context window, what it is and why it matters. Every AI model, whether it's Gemini, OpenAI, Claude, or DeepSeek, works inside something called a context window. Think of it as the model's short-term memory. It's the space where your current conversation, instructions, and all related information are stored, so the AI knows what's happening. The larger the context window, the more information the AI can remember: your past messages, blueprint details, or ongoing instructions. But once that window fills up, older messages start getting pushed out or forgotten. That's exactly why we split the plugin into 3 separate modes: Guided Creation, Blueprints, and Materials. Each mode has its own smaller, focused context. That helps the AI stay on track, generate faster, and respond more accurately, without wasting tokens or mixing up different topics. So in short, keeping your chats focused helps the AI perform better. It's faster, cheaper, and way more consistent. And that's what this update is all about: making Unreal Gen plugins smarter, cleaner, and more reliable for real game development work.